In this video, I'm going to show you how to bounce tracks in Studio One. Now to do this, first you want to select the track you want to bounce. So for example, I'm going to use this track over here, and I'm going to click on it to actually select it like that. And then when you do this, you simply want to go and press either Control B on your keyboard, or you could go to Event up top. And from here, click on Bounce Selection. That's going to bounce your selection just like this inside the folder where you have your project saved automatically. But if you want to bounce the track, you could go to Event, Bounce to New Track, and it's going to bounce your track just like that, okay? That's also very possible. Now, that's going to be kind of the easiest way to do this. And as you can see, you can open up your files. So for example, over here, I have this project saved in this folder over here. And if I go to Bounces, you can see in here I have all the bounces. If I were to make a new one, click on here, press Control B, it's actually going to pop a new one in here, and that's essentially how you can bounce, okay? Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.